Alright, here we go. Got a problem. I got our tire, found a nail in it, right? I got a slow leak. I find myself going to the Quick Trip to keep putting air in it. So I bought this kit. It comes with this stuff. So I got 3 patches. Oh, my jack just shifted. That's why I always use a jack stand, guys. Always use a jack stand. And then I have this inserter, so you're supposed to put the patch in here. I'll demonstrate everything. The rubber cement, but it comes with this. You know, you gotta hollow out the hole where the nail's at. So let's start taking the nail out. So it's gonna leak a lot of air. So you could either take all the air out, but just don't be in the line of sight when if this thing flies out. Or you can, it's totally up to you. You like to live dangerously, that's your thing. But if you want to be safe, okay, you gotta try to get this little lip. This isn't a nail, we got a screw in here. So, just gotta get this under. Looks like a Phillips head. Just gotta get that little part under there. Alright, that's that. So, they usually want you to wall this out. I like to just get a drill. Losing a lot of air, so I'm going to put that in there, slow it down. Alright, so I'm going to leave a bit in there because I don't want to lose all my air. I should have probably had this loaded up before, but no biggie. Okay, pretty sticky, icky. So you're gonna get this and you're gonna feed this through here. And this kit's only like $8, guys. It's not even that much, you know what I mean? Versus going to the tire shop. So they're gonna take you less than 10 minutes to do this yourself. And if you do it quick and your tires are completely dead, you could drive it. Or if you're really wild, you don't have an air compressor, I've done this where you repair it at the Circle K or the air compressor place, so you could air it up right after you do the patch. Okay? So, kind of work it in there. I'm gonna saturate this little tube. It's already kind of sticky, so you just gotta almost gotta make it lubed, because it has to go in there fast. So let's take this out. Let's see if we can do this without struggle. Alright, we're moving it in there. Alright. Almost. Just put a little bit more. Don't push it all the way in. Cut it half will be okay. It should. In a perfect world, it should just come out and it stays in there. If you're in a hurry, you probably let it go and let it wear itself out. I like to just snip it with some snips. Give it a nice clean cut. And that's it. We're done. Put some air in it and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. I hope that helps you out.